Good morning, students. Class 8, Chapter 2, Linear Equations in One Variable, Exercise 2.6, page number 35. This is the last exercise of this chapter, and this is very good exercise also. और वैसे भी आपको सारे सब प्रैक्टिस हो गई है, आप बहुत अच्छे से इस एक्सरसाइज को कर सकते हैं. This is very important exercise. So please start. See the page number 35, exercise 2.6. I have written here question number first. Solve the following equations: x minus 3 whole divided by 3x, 8x minus 3 whole divided by 3x is equal to 2. We have done this type of equation in previous exercises. It's very simple. Let us start. 3x here will be divided. Here is divide. It will go there in multiply. Then 8x minus 3x is equal to 3 to the 6x. But very clear. It is known as the cross multiplication. And sorry, this is not 3x. This is only 3. Okay, beta. Now 6x will go by the x side and minus 3 will come here. Then 8x minus, because this is plus 6x, it will go there in minus, that will become minus 6x is equal to minus 3 will come here, it will become plus 3. 8x minus 6x is 2x is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 2, here is multiply, it will come here and divide. 3 divided by 2. That is the answer. X is equal to 3 upon 2 is the answer. What? So it was very simple, because 3 was there in divide, it will come here and multiply, it will become 3 to the 6x, x एक तरफ ले जाए, बड़े x के लिए दूसरी तरफ ले जाए. It is simple. Now question number second, C is the same question. Question number second. 9x whole divided by 7 upon minus 6. 9x whole divided by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. See, the same process. It was here divided, it will go there and multiply. Same here, it will go there and multiply. But a little bit change. What is that? See, 9x is equal to 15 is as it is, और इसको हम multiply by. We use the bracket 7 minus 6x because there are binomial. There that is binomial. That was monomial, मतलब one term है, इसलिए हमने डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. यहाँ binomial है तो टू टर्म है, 15 का मल्टीप्लाई 7 में अलग करना होगा, minus 6x में अलग करना होगा. Then 9x is equal to 15 7 जा 105 plus multiply by minus is minus 15 6 जा 90. That is 90x. Got it? Minus 90x will go there. Then 9x minus 90x will come here. That will become plus 90x is equal to 105. This will become 99x is equal to 105. Then x is equal to 105 divided by 99. We will divide by 6. See. We will divide by 3. 3 3 are 9. 3 3 are 9. 3 3 are 9. Remaining one. 3 5 are 15. It is x is equal to 35 upon 33 is the answer. If you want, you can convert it into mixed fraction. Here also you can convert it into mixed fraction like that. X is equal to 2. 1 are 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1 because 3 divided by 3 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं. इसी तरह आप 35 को 33 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में आएगा x is equal to 33 1 are 33 35 minus 33 is 2 upon 35. You can write this one also. Both are the correct answer. Question number third will be same. Question number fourth you have to see here. It will be totally cross multiplication. See the question number 4. 3y plus 4 whole divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5 is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Then we do the cross multiplication. On cross multiplying, 5 here is divided, it will go there in multiply. Then 5 into 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2 is as it is, and this will go there in multiply, it will become, it is divided, it will go in multiply 2 minus 6y. 6y. Then 5 3 is 15y plus 5 4 is 20 is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2 is minus 4 minus multiplied by minus is plus 2 6 is 12y. Y digit will go one side, 15y plus 12y will go there, minus 12y is equal to plus 20 will come here, minus 20 and minus 4 will be same. 15 minus 12 is 3y is equal to minus 20 minus 4 minus 24. Then y is equal to minus 24 divided by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24. So y is equal to minus 8 is the answer. So you understand, students? All the sums are same. You should know this sum only in your fair copy, and rest of the sum you have to do in your rough copy. Okay? And now we will start question number 6 and 7. There are two questions are remaining. Are the same question and very good question. First you have to read them and take out the meaning and solve them. Okay? So please see question number 6. It is very simple and easy question. Question number 6. Question number 6. You should read in your copy. And according to question, firstly we will make the equation, and after that we will solve. See the question number 6. It is very good and very important question. We will read the question. The age of Harry and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. So let 5:7. पहला हम ये गिवन देख लेते हैं. Age of Harry and Harry. Given. We have given Harry ratio Harry H-double-R-Y. Okay. 5:7. So let present age ये बताया है ना. Present age of Harry is equal to 5x years, and present age of Harry, you should write complete spelling, okay? Will be 7x years. Now according to question, we read the question. 4 years from now, अब से 4 years के बाद, तो 4 years दोनों में ऐड होंगे. 4 years from now, the ratio of their age will be 3:5. 4 years from now means 5x plus 4 ratio 7x plus 4 after 4 years. क्या रेशो हो जाएगा इनकी एज का? 3:4. 3:4 means 3/4. That step we have formed according to question. And now we will solve. What we will do? We do the cross multiplication. On cross multiplying. You know we have done many sum these types. So 4 here is divided, it will go there multiply. 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 will be same multiply by, there is no sign, that means multiply already. Okay beta, 7x plus 4 will go there and multiply from divide, 7x plus 4, and now we will do the multiply. 4 5 are 20x plus 4 4 are 16 is equal to 3 7 are 21x plus multiply by plus is plus, and 4 3 are sorry 4 3 are 12 or 3 4 are 12. See, 20x will come here, it will become minus 20x या 21x को हम उधर ले जा सकते हैं, there is no problem. पर मैं आपको ऐसा इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि आपको इजी रहेगा. See, 16 plus 12 will go there, minus 12 is equal to 21x will be here, and 20x will come here, it will convert into minus 20x because it is positive sign. So there is 21x minus x is x. X is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. So therefore x is equal to 4. The value of x is 4, not the age of Hari and Hari. So this is the age of Hari will be, age of Hari is equal to, what was the age of Hari? 5x. Means 5x means 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 5 4 ja 20 years. Hari's age will be 20 years. Similarly, age of Hari is equal to, what was age of Hari? 7x. 7x means 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 7 4 ja 28 years. Y-E-A-R-S. Yes. You understand, students? Any doubt? If you have, you can write in comments. If you understand, then write yes sir, I understood. So now start the last question of this exercise. Question number 7. It is also very easy. You have to note this one in your field copy beta. Last question of this exercise. Let us start. Firstly, you have to read it, question number 7, and then I will explain. Please read the question number 7 in your book, please, and try to get out its meaning. Chaliye, have you read it? Yes, good. Now we read together. Question number 7. See. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator is by 8. Then वो कह रहा है कि एक रेशनल नंबर है, उसका जो डिनोमिनेटर है, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. हम मान लेते हैं let numerator be x. So therefore denominator will be according to question. क्या बोला उसने? The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8 means x plus 8. Numerator से 8 ज्यादा है denominator. So rational number क्या बन जाएगा? Therefore rational number will be numerator was x and denominator was x plus 8. Again according to question. अभी हम और क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे, एक सेशन बनाएंगे according to question. See, अपना फ्रैक्शन लिखो. पहले रेशनल नंबर क्या है अपने पास? x अपॉन x प्लस 8. ये अपना ओरिजिनल एक्सप्रेशन नंबर. अब वो क्या कह रहा है? If the numerator is increased by 17, जो न्यूमरेटर है उसको 17 इंक्रीज किया जाए या 17 बढ़ा दिया जाए. और आगे and denominator is decreased by 1, और डिनोमिनेटर में से 1 कम कर दिया जाए. The number obtained 3 3/2, तो हमें नंबर क्या मिलेगा 3/2। फाइंड द रेशनल नंबर, तो रेशनल नंबर फाइंड कीजिए। रेशनल नंबर अपना ये है, x की वैल्यू आएगी, इसकी वैल्यू रखेंगे, आंसर आ जाएगा। सी सॉल्व करते हैं। पहले हमको ये स्टेप सॉल्व करना पड़ेगी, तो इसलिए हम ये इक्वेशन लिखेंगे x + 70 अपॉन x + 8 - 1 is +7, 8 - 1 is 7 is equal to 3/2. Now what we will do? We will do on cross multiplying. On cross multiplying. So see, cross multiplication करेंगे, 2 will go there, multiply 2 multiplied by x plus 70 is same, ये डिवाइड में इधर जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई में is equal to 3 multiplied by x plus 7. Now 2 multiplied by x is 2x and 17 to the 34 plus 34 plus 9, 3 into x is 3x और 7 3 जा 3 7 जा 21 and see 34 will be here plus 21 will go there is minus 21, 3x is same and plus 2x will come here minus 2x. Now see 3x minus 2x is x is equal to 34 minus 21 is, देखिए 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 13, x is equal to 13. So therefore rational number was x upon x plus 8. Then x was 13 upon 13 plus 8. So 13 upon 13 plus 8 is 21. This is the answer. The rational number is 21. Rational number is equal to 21. अब आप इसमें चेक कर सकते हैं, आपको बराबर आंसर इजी आएगा। ये देखिए, मैं आपको एक बात बता देता हूं, अगर आप इसमें 17 प्लस करेंगे x में तो कितना हो जाएगा, 17 प्लस करेंगे तो 30 और डिनोमिनेटर में से 1 माइनस करेंगे तो 20, कैंसिल कीजिए, 0 से 0 कैंसिल, क्या बचा 3/2, ये आ गया 3/2। चेक, वी आर राइट। Thank you very much. You have to note. If you understand, then write in comments, yes sir, I understood. Okay, thank you beta.